Hello everybody, I'll be showing you how to make a mini bench. For materials, I'll be using poplar and we'll be making the base of the bench first. So the legs are going to be 18 inches tall. That's an average size for a bench, and we'll be doing 4 of these at 18 inches. So after the legs, we'll be doing the front and the back are going to be 25 inches. This includes the legs. So here is the parts for the bench. Our legs, our front and back, and then we got our sides, so the left and the right, and then we got our two bottoms for the left and the right, and then we got a piece that will go in the middle that will help support our top from bowing, and then we got our stretcher which will connect to the bottom and the left pieces that will add support to the entire bench. So let's get these cut out on the miter saw. So here are the pieces for the bench. I also put little squares on the pieces. Those are where I'm gonna put half flaps to join all the pieces together for the base of the bench. In order to do the half flap, I'm gonna line up the blade to the line I drew on the side of the block. This is 3/4 of an inch. This block is 1.5 inches width. So from here to this, so let's line up that blade to the line. You want that tooth just to touch. A little higher. That's about good. So here are all the lap joints cut out for the pieces for the base of the bench. I'm gonna dry fit these to see if they fit well together, and then I'm going to assemble and glue them. So here is the base of the bench. Right now I am dry fitting them. Here is our bench. I have sanded each part of the bench, and I am also gluing the bench. Right now I'm adding clamps to pull everything together. Here is our mini bench frame. All we have left is to make the seat on the top. Seat to the bench. I have a dry fit right now to see if everything aligns right. Here is our bench. All that is left is to add our finish.